Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and if you are not already, I would love to have you as one of my brand new subscribers here on my channel, and then let me know in the comments below when you hit that subscribe button so that I can welcome you and thank you and get to know you and just kind of recognize your face, or not face, but your name as time goes on. So I am decorating my social media planner. I use the dashboard layout, which means on this side, it has lots of different places where you can make lists and categories, stuff like that. And then this side, it's the days of the week in kind of rectangle, square kind of spots. I am, again, using this Halloween book, and I'm doing something fun where I'm using this massive haunted house this week. I'm going to go ahead and just put it down. I'm using this big haunted house, and then also gonna do like a mixture of stars and ghosts. And gonna try and make it really cute. Wonder if I should just, this quote down here. I'm gonna just cover up. I was thinking of keeping it there, but I don't want to. Okay. This is a huge sticker. Okay. And then I will use the rest of this page. And I also want to do some more of the countdown stickers. All right. I like to have a little to-do list on Monday. And I will label my two spots over here. I need to have just kind of like a small to-do list right here. For the week. And then maybe I'll just label that. Or I can just write it on top of this thing. I'll label this. The garbage men are here getting the trash, so it's like super loud. I want to cover this because I used some Sharpie last week thinking, oh, no problem, I'll just put a sticker over top of it. But now this is my to-do list, so I gotta figure that out. No, I'm not gonna do that. This is a cute list, and it's gonna go with the theme, so I'm gonna put this down. And that's where I'll put some of my Instagram posts ideas. Here's the ghosts. Look how cute they are. I still have to white it out. Look at this. It shines through because the ghost is obviously white. I'm holding this because I just don't know where to put it. Like, I just don't know. I'm just gonna put it right there. These two that are friends is like so stinking cute. I'll put them over here. Look at them. They're so happy. Okay, put the little ones around this page. So I could do these stars, and I'll definitely use these stars. I need to use this in my catch-all planner. I'm gonna pull this out, stick it up here. Okay, where are those letters? What if I write something out down here, like, what could I put? Like get spooky or something. Okay, I like how it goes on to the house a little bit. It brings some of that pink down here. Okay, get a little bit of stars, maybe right here. Just bring in some flavor on this side. Oh, I could do some of these. Put today. All right. Let's try these and then I'll see how I feel. Oh, I forgot my little spot for goals. So I'm gonna put it right here. Great. Okay, in this little habit tracking, I want to I could do this. Let's try this. This is gonna be a little habit tracker for the week to say that I posted every day. And then what I'll do is use my orange mild liner and fill it in once I do it. I know I'm doing it today because I'm about to right this second. So that's why I'm filling it in. So that's what I'll do there. And there we go. So there's a lot of decorations over here. But the nice thing is I still have lots of space to put a to-do list. I have my goals here, my Instagram posts here, and it's fun, it's cute. I have a countdown. Up here is where I put my daily scheduled YouTube videos. So I put catch-all and my dashboard, and then I put my mini and journal, you know, like that. So, okay, I think it's all done. Only thing I'm thinking is one of these strips. This with long, oops, that's the short one. This long one with stars, I kind of want to put up here. Lots of stars. Maybe put a to-do list right here. that's gonna be it. All right. I like it. I think it's really fun to put like a massive sticker because the dashboard planner, honestly, I have room for it. So that's where I like to get extra creative, try some new stuff. All right, I'm all done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And in the meantime, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.